Surfing. Surfing. Everybody be like, oh, my bike's so stable. Nigga, is your bike this stable, bruh? Is your bike this stable, bruh? So it's been a minute since I've been back on a bike, but I got me these new Kimi Moto gloves, and goddamn, I love these joints. My last gloves was Amazon special joints, and the thing that I really don't like about them is it was single stitch gloves. So my damn hands, I do too much with my hands, so my hands just busting out them joints. And I also want to talk to y'all a little bit about tuning, man, because I think I might have found the secret sauce. At least for the hub motors anyway, you know what I'm saying? So let me get to my destination and I'm gonna pull up, park, and talk to y'all. Let y'all know what I kind of found out about this far driver situation. Still on a move on a gorgeous evening, Baltimore City. Yeah, I love my city, man. I swear to God. New construction going on everywhere. So if you ain't building something, man, you just gotta know you're getting left behind. There's a lot of building going on. You good? You good? You good? You good? Again, I can't say enough about these Kimi Moto gloves. They are double stitched. They got the knuckle protection. Got a little bit of breathing going on here. What's going on, bro? Appreciate you, bro. Got the Oreo Stadium right there, looking glorious. And we're coming up on Ravins Stadium. Even though them boys been fucking up lately, they still my team. Hometown rapping, you know? That little squeak I'm hearing in the front, I think I need to change my front brake pads. And I got a couple of new sets in the house, so I think that's gonna be my weekend project. But again, man, these Kimi Moto gloves, bro, like the pull tabs on the inside, the full wrap around on the wrist, you know, just the little things, you know what I'm saying? Really makes a difference. But far driver, man, I want to hear y'all opinions about what's going on with these far driver tunes, man, because it's a lot of here, there, and everybody don't know what the fuck's going on. I feel like, damn, they tried to take me out of the game. Anyway, yeah, let's go under here and just talk some shit to the bridge. Yeah, that squeaking that I'm hearing though is not the sexiest. All right, so let's talk electric, because this is my baby right here. This is a lot of hard work and dedication make this come alive, but this is something that I built. As y'all know, if y'all following the channel, it's my masterpiece. 96 volt, 100 amp hour electric motorcycle. And what y'all see, we got the level 2 charging right there. We got the big battery. We got speakers. We got lights. We got everything that you would like. There's been a lot of talk about, you know, tuning and far driver, help me with my settings. This is a heavy setup. As you can tell, 12 kilowatt hub motor, nominal. 100 amp hour, 96 volt battery, heavy as a bitch. Internal charger built in. So it's a lot going on in here. 17-inch wheels. Obviously, the whole framing of the bike itself. You know, we got a Ninja 300 platform. And it's heavy. It's 350 plus pounds. So that's pretty much the same weight as an actual Ninja 300 bike. Saying all that to say, you know, there's been a lot of speculation on is it easy, or can you pop it up? Can you lift it up? Well, I've left evidence on my channel that you can, that you are able to pop the wheel up. Now, a lot of that has to do with, obviously, voltage, but mostly it comes down to the tune. Let's pop into the Far Driver app, because, and that's another reason why I really like these Kimi Moto gloves. Look how seamless, seamless, you know, it is on the touchscreen. But But something that I want to let y'all know, you don't have to do this whole register thing, binding and all that. Just hit the return and it'll go away. Now, when you go into, because I'm already running, I'm already connected, just to let y'all know, when you go into the pro settings, you won't be able to change anything until you hit cancel like 2 or 3 times. So boom, now you can get into it and make all of the changes and make your savings, whatever you want to do. Okay, so not gonna give y'all all the sauce, but one thing I do want to talk about today in the PID settings. So you don't really have to change too much other than what I believe is this curve time if you want more snap off of the throttle. And that's what I've been wanting to get, because it's not that I don't have the power, I have the energy. It's not that I don't have a decent controller. I have a great controller in this bike, Far Driver 850. So, and I can max it because it's liquid cooled. So my thing is, I just need more pop off the line. I don't have one of the GPS trackers with the dongle. Um, so, I'm just doing everything off of GPS apps. And that's cool. I do a lot on the Relive app, which has been pretty accurate. I've tested it with my car. I've tested it with, obviously, my bikes. And all of the GPS apps that I've used seems to be working pretty good. Anyway, my 0 to 60 time wasn't as snappy as I would want it. And so I came down here after doing some research and jumped into curve time. So initially, my curve time was at 100 milliseconds. Dropped it down to 70 just to see what it would feel like. And today, for my experiment, what I'm going to do is drop it down to 60 just to see what that feels like. And see, it'll let you save. Boom. Now I'm saved in at 60 milliseconds. And I want to test it. I want to see if it feels any snappier, if I can pop the wheel up a little bit easier. Um, Woo, yeah, definitely feels a lot more snappy. That's crazy. All right, let's see if I can pop the wheel up sitting down. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more snappy. Now, if I, a lot easier, okay? A lot. Now, if I drop it to 50, it's gonna be crazy. All right, let's see. And this is without changing any of my power settings or anything like that. Yeah, just practicing out here. That is the trick. That's the hack to get more pop. If you can't lift that wheel up, baby, if you got a hub motor, play with your curve time. It will. It was just lifting a whole lot higher because I'm being scared now. You know what I'm saying? I'm riding a little scared now. All right. That be my little scared ass, yo. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a little bit of spin before it get too dark. And that's gonna be my night, man. But I wanted to come and give y'all a little bit of advice about what I've been learning on hub motor tip. I'll let you guys know that it's not that hard to get that snap now. Right now I'm riding around in mode 1 because my curve time, I'm getting a lot more snap in mode 1, and they get to speed a lot quicker. So, yeah, man. M&T Bank Stadium, Baltimore City, baby. It's a good night, man. It's a good night. Yeah, mode 1 is crazy. Yeah, it didn't feel this peppy, yo, at all. I had to go ahead and upgrade my brake system. Shit ain't costing me no money. I ain't even disturbing the white people. Ain't that some shit? It's a great day on the planet, man. I do want to flex a little bit of speed and see what we still got left in her. And as a matter of fact, all right, now y'all should be able to see. I'm still in mode 1. And damn, this might be a nice little photo op. I think I'm gonna take it. The quill. See if I can get this shot real fast. Ah, shit. Shit's about to be vicious. Alright, we out. We out. That was easy. There we go. We might be able to do a real 0 to 60 now. We might actually be able to do a real 0 to 60. Something. Again, I'm only at I'm at 97 volts, so this is a little like 55%. Can't even do a good 0 to 60 because these niggas is going turtle speed, turtle speed, turtle speed, turtle speed. And I ain't trying to do nothing crazy. Yeah, cause that's when that shit shuts up right there. Wasn't trying to do nothing too crazy. That little bridge should be like, lose your life if you want to. No sir. No sir. Alright. Let me take this joint out of 3 because I don't need that much juice. I don't need all that. Come on, bro. No signal, no nothing. Just take a nigga life. God damn. God damn, playboy. Oh, man, you can't drive. That's what that is. This nigga can't drive. I don't even know if I want to be following this motherfucker, dog. Like, God damn. Yee, surfing. Surfing. Everybody be like, oh, my bike's so stable. Nigga, is your bike this stable, bruh? Is your bike this stable, bruh? Woo-woo. Yeah. And the streets is fucked up out here. Dougie Fresh. Ah, man. Feels so good. But man, it's a beautiful night. And that's why I'm gonna leave y'all, man. Hope y'all got some tips. See y'all next time. I lied. I lied. I'm going downtown. Fuck it. Just hop on the highway, shoot downtown, then I'll go back home. You know what I'm saying? Quick little run on the highway. It's just not really. I mean, it is a highway, but it ain't like a. Yeah. Yeah. Rock solid, baby. Love this bike. Quick 70. And it still be pulling at 70 miles an hour, bro. Like, it still got so much more to go. Y'all already know. If y'all done seen some of the speed runs I done did on this joint, I ain't trying to flex too hard. But man, I love my bike.